How wonderful is this? Inside the house. This temperature inside of the house, and the outside is 39 degrees. How do I keep cool? Bottle of water, lots of strawberries, lots of fruits, yogurts, pear, ginger, grapes, blueberry, yogurt, kaffir yogurt, honey. That's all waiting for me to cool me down. All good. Cooking indoors. There's nothing to cook. The towel goes in the fridge, goes on the head. The other towel goes in my head, gets wet, just like this, cold water, and on my head. Have you ever seen me in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh, Jeddah, with a towel on the head, which dries out every 5 minutes with the temperatures of 40? Here in London, I'm looking the same. Anyway, rosy cheeks. You would have thought that it'll go burgundy, right? No. We all cook the same way. But are you kind of relaxed and cool enough to cool off? I sleep on the floor most of the time, just like this. Oh. The wood floor is absolutely hot. Keep smiling, what's the matter with you? You're still alive. What's important is that don't do silly. Well, I'll be soon in Miami Beach. My hottest ever been is 56 in Tripoli, Libya. About 16 years ago. Came out of the airplane. Wow. It's like somebody put a blowtorch on your face. And that's the way life is. Keep messing up the planet, and you will realize that your air conditioning, your heating units, your great ideas about the energy conservation programs will go out of the window, and you will go back to the earth, and the earth will start flourishing without you, me, and everyone who's been fouling this place indiscriminately. I hope you wake up now. If not, the temperature will make you feel that you're suffocating for nothing. Don't complain about hot weather. Stop buying those cheap rubbish and polluting the planet and destroying the life of this earth. I hope the message is clear when that the only life energy that can keep you alive or bake you and roast you alive